how to get your front audio jack to work with your new motherboard. MSI motherboard. Okay, first you're going to plug in your headphone jack into the green headphone jack in the back there, right there in the middle of the green. Then this screen's going to pop up. Realtek HD Audio Manager. This is going to save you a lot of time. You're going to go down to the wrench, disable front panel jack detection, and then it's like it resets it. Then you plug it in into the front here, disable, okay. Now instead of just the one digital out, you're going to get 2 bars here, and it's this one here. It's not going to work, as you can hear it. Now it's working. Okay, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.